Hello everyone, myself Dr. Preeti and I did my PhD in Environmental Science and Engineering from IIT Kharagpur. Currently I am working as an assistant professor in GLA University Mathura. And I am glad to be a part of this Women Entrepreneurship Program at IIM Bangalore because I am getting the opportunity to share my idea with you. So our idea is basically our junk art team is working on the idea of strategic collection management and recycling of the waste, which includes the packaging waste. So, as an environmentalist and a frequent online shopping customer, packaging material has always bothered me and I wanted to do something about it. So, I got the idea, what if we collect the waste from the source itself? Alright. So, the packaging waste is includes the plastic waste, paper waste, cardboard and fillers and so many things. So basically what we are thinking that because plastic waste is hazardous to environment and we are moving towards the sustainable packaging, so here comes the role of paper. Recently Flipkart has taken initiative to replace their packaging material with paper whenever it is possible or wherever it is possible, but again this lead to the problem of deforestation because a lot of trees are required for making paper. So here comes the role of recycling. If we recycle 1 ton of paper, we can save 70% of the resources, 30% of the raw material, 70% of the water, which ultimately leads to saving of 17 trees, 4100 kilowatt of energy and 31,400 liters of water. And also it leads to the generation of second income and employment in the nearby areas. So our junk art team, and I'll tell you an example example of the report of municipal solid waste management from Hyderabad, that report says that per month investment on the collection, management and transport of the waste was 170 million per month. And the same report also says that if 30% of the recyclables can be segregated on the source itself, that 170 million rupees of the cost can be decreased up to 51 million per month. So you can have the idea like source segregation is so much important. So our initiative is that people will be calling us. We will be going door to door for the collection of their waste. We will be collecting the waste. We will segregate the waste at our center, and then we will resell the waste to the respective recycle centers, or we will be collaborating with the small scale entrepreneurs who are taking initiative for reusing the material for the good of the society. So overall outcome of this startup will be that waste to wealth mission, which is the initiative taken by the government of India. We will be adding to it, and we will also generate employment in the nearby areas where our collection centers will be there. We will also be helping people, making them aware about the proper management of their waste, and we will be strengthening Swachh Bharat mission, and we will be adding to the Atmanirbhar Bharat. We will be strengthening that also. So I hope that you all will be joining hands with us for making our society clean, for making Mother Earth clean by proper recycling and management of our waste. Thank you very much.